This is going to be a really short, quick, fast video review of the SanDisk Extreme Plus microSD XC UHS-1 card. It's a 2-pack memory card. Comes with the adapters. Comes with the memory cards, obviously. Bought this in Costco. This is on sale right now for the next few days. Even if you don't get it on sale, it's a really good deal. It's the item number over there, 1320. Dog is making noise out there. 1320128. So it comes with 2. Right now on sale, the price is $33 for this package, $10 off. Even if you don't buy it, usually if you don't buy it on sale, it usually goes for $40 to $44, something like that. The thing is, a lot of people are really cheap about buying things like this. Once you buy it, you're going to use it for probably 5 years, however long. You're going to make your money by enjoyment or by selling your videos, so buy this stuff. Definitely a good deal. Again, you can buy it, if you're a Costco member, you can buy it online right now, or you can buy it in the store for the same price, I believe. Free shipping if you buy it online. And even if you don't get the sale, you should be able to buy it online still. Okay, so why do you want to buy this stuff? I do a ton of videos. Check out my channel. I think I've got like 1,500 videos right now. And I shoot with 2 different cameras. I have 3 or 4, but I really shoot with 2. I'm shooting 4K right now, and with the 4K, I'm using this 128 gig. The advantage is this thing is huge. It's massive. And I forget how many hours of 4K you can film, but I'm never going to film that much 4K video before I take it off of the memory card. But there is a, well, do they have anything on the back? They usually say how many hours you can record. They don't say it over here. Okay, that doesn't matter, but there's some data in case you want to see it with the speeds and the info. So I've got this in my new camera. I've got this older camera I've done reviews of. All I use is Panasonic. Let me tell you, you go out and you buy yourself a little Panasonic video camera for a couple $100, $200–300. Set up a YouTube channel, keep it going for a few years. Not only are you going to pay for this thing, but you're probably going to put your kid through college if you do it the right way. If you post stuff that people want to see, which I don't, but that's okay. So I've got this older camera, really old camera, and I've noticed when I first bought it, I think it comes with like maybe a 32 gig card. I don't know if I put in a 64, I don't remember. You have to look at what you've got. Some of these cameras or video, whatever you're using, video recorder, camcorder, mirrorless camera, they only accept they only allow so much memory. So you might not be able to put 128 gig in there. It might not read it the right way. You might have to put it on a computer and format it before you put it in the camera, the camcorder. So with this thing, it's not a 4K, but I noticed that when I turn off the camera, when I press the button to stop recording, there's a lot of times there's a delay of maybe a couple seconds. I'm wondering, come on, shut off. Go show me the green light that I'm not recording. And it doesn't do that. Why doesn't it do it? Because I've got an older card in here. It's still, I believe, a class 10. It's an older card. It's not capable of the speed that the newer cards are capable of. So when I press the button to stop recording, the camera is still writing data to the slow SD card. Otherwise, it would shut off right away, because it would maybe be writing in real time, like with a better SD card. So with this thing, it takes forever. And I thought, you know, it's about time I stop being cheap and I go out and I buy a new card. So let's go look and see. This is, I don't even remember what's in here, but I know it's got to be an old card. And that's the advantage of buying this with the adapters, unless you have a bunch of adapters. The camera, it's not going to accept this thing. A cell phone will accept it, but a bigger unit's probably going to need the adapter. So let's go pull this thing out and look. Okay, so what do we have in here? Wow, this is old. I don't even have a 64 in here. Oh, that's a 64. Okay, there it is. 64 gig Ultra Plus. This is a really, really, really old memory card. Very old. And that explains why it's not able to do what I need it to do. You got the XC Yeah, this is an older version compared to the newer versions like this. This has got probably, I believe this writes and reads at maybe half the speed of this. So what's my recommendation? If you're running old equipment, even if you're running new equipment, go check out your memory card. If you bought some of these old things that worked really good at the time, this still works. It's the camera records. And if you don't want to go out and spend $20 or $40 to avoid a couple second read-write delay, that's fine. But it's really up to you what you want to do. 64 gig, I've never filled up the 64 gig thing. I'm definitely not going to fill up the 128 gig. But it reads and writes faster. Maybe it will make me more famous. I'm just kidding. I'm never going to be famous on the tube. Unless you do the thumbs up, subscribe, the like, the share, leave a comment. Click on my affiliate links in the video description, leave a $1 million donation to my PayPal account, all that cool stuff. Maybe I'll be famous. Get 100 million views, I'll be famous. So if you're a member of Costco, go into Costco and pick this thing up. I bought two cards of this. So I have 4 of these memory cards. These are not going to work on, I think on the Wise and the Nui cams. I don't know if they take 128 gigs, so be really careful. Look at what you're going to put these into before you buy memory cards. But if you've got camcorders or most newer things, they take 128 gigs. I even think the GoPro takes it. And then I'm pretty sure I've got the memory card and the GoPro. In fact, let's make this video really long and let's open up the GoPro so that we can find out what am I running in the GoPro, because I don't use the GoPro for video reviews, but now I'm really curious. Let's open this up. So the Costco deal is really good. So if you're a member of Costco, click on the affiliate link. If you're not, well, if you're a member of Costco, just go there and buy it. But either way, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link because Amazon sells this. And the affiliate links are what help me out a lot. So let's go see, what do I have in the GoPro? I don't know. Do you? I don't even know where the memory card is. Is it over here? Nope, that's the battery. This is where the ports are. So this must be the where the heck is my memory card? I haven't done this in so long. Maybe it's behind the battery? There it is. There it is. And you see that? We got the red and the gold. We got the red and the gold. So this has got a 128 gig. I have shot 4 hours of 4K 60 frames per second video on this thing and never came close to filling it up. Definitely the way to go. Buy the SanDisk, and will make it much easier. You don't have to worry about, did I fill up my memory card? Do I have to change it out? All you need to worry about then is making sure you've got more than enough battery power to record what you're doing. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe, wear your mask, stay healthy. Have a good Thanksgiving, a good holiday. Biden's coming into office in a couple months, and it's a whole new world.